Often called the car tax, Fairfax County mails the personal property tax bill every year in late summer. The due date for the car tax bill is October 5th, unless that date falls on a weekend. However, cars purchased or moved in after July 1st will be billed in January. Car taxes are due if your vehicle is normally garaged or parked in the county, even if registered in another state. Exemptions may apply, such as for certain military personnel or diplomats. Assessed values represent the January 1st average clean condition trade-in value listed in the NADA used car guide. An appeal can be made due to such factors as body damage, rust, and high mileage. For most new model cars, the value reflects a percentage of the MSRP. The current tax rate for personal property in Fairfax County is $4.57 for each $100 of assessed value, but the state of Virginia pays a partial subsidy on personal use vehicles. Please review your bill as soon as you receive it. If you have questions or concerns, call Fairfax County Department of Tax Administration at 703-222-8234 or go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA.